So he flew over to her spaceship and he ripped off her shields, the ones that keep the spaceship from melting when it goes into the atmosphere. And Jill saw young Mr. Fred through the porthole, flying by in his vacuum cleaner, going wah-ha-ha-ha with pliers in his hand. And evil Mr. Fred attached himself to her spaceship, and she heard this and evil Mr. Fred took off her thermal protective shields. I want to show you a real space shuttle tile. It's got this white stuff that's glass, and they blew bubbles in the glass. So it's like foamed glass. On the back, the black stuff is a thin layer of really high temperature glass. They put glue on it, and they glue thousands of these onto the space shuttle to give it its heat protection. Red just like the other, but it doesn't melt either. It's so light that the heat doesn't burn you, even though it's really hot temperature-wise. So we're going to do some experiments with heat and see if you can find ways to keep heat from getting through stuff. Now we want to find out if we can put something on him so that his heat doesn't get through to the outside. Now, we could wrap him in stuff and then feel the outside to see if the heat gets through. There's a better way to do it. We're going to use fat. Inside of it is like a soap bubble. There's a thin layer of fat. And when the light goes through it, the light makes colors. The light makes colors according to the temperature.
Can you make colors?
First, we're going to give you each one of these, and you're going to see if you can make it change colors. Then we're going to give you a person and see if the person can make it change colors. And then we're going to give you some insulators to see if you can make it so the person's heat can't get through. So this is going to be our handy dandy thermometer. It's a really nice one because you can see where the heat is coming through on it as it changes colors. See if it works. And then Mandy will give you 2 wires.
Here's a light
You
bulb.
can hook it up so it stays on.
Mine only works a little bit. Alright, I got a couple of
Okay, put a sponge and a piece of plastic and a piece of aluminum foil all together and see if it will stop it.
This is definitely working. It's working. Come look, it's working. It's working.